Three, two, one.
Let's go hiking! It's November 30th, 2024. First day of snow. Look! Let's look around. Exactly looks like white icing powders sprinkled all over. Remember last couple of weeks? The fall colors sprinkled all over. The season is changing as time flies. Whether you like it or not, the season is changing. There's nothing is the same. It's always changing. It's transforming every moment. Never stays the same. It's so miracle to see this transforming naturally. Oh, this air is so fresh and crispy. You cannot buy it from anywhere else. Let's enjoy the nature. In the nature, the human beings are so tiny and small. Just one part of the dirt in this planet. Sometimes we forget about that and try to destroy everything around us and try to control over it. That's the meaningless, I think. We are here just temporarily. Doesn't have to be control anything. Respect and enjoy it. Don't you think so? I am learning this from the nature while I'm hiking. Learning experience not only from the book, not only from the classroom. Nature itself, teachers, and classrooms. Right?
이 나무가 진짜 멋있어.
Yahoo! Yahoo! We are here, Mono, Ontario, Canada, north part of the Caledon, Ontario. The location map is in the comment below. Let's continue and enjoy this crispy air. Would you? Look at this. Exactly looks like icing powders on the ground. You know, the icing powders sprinkled on the cake or donuts or delicious homemade cookie. That is exactly looks like this. It's so pretty and temptation to taste of it. Exactly right amount sprinkled. Don't you think so? It looks like it is. Driving back to city, there's no snow. You're enjoying local hiking every Saturday in Ontario, Canada. We may hiking same location twice a year, but the scenery never been same, always changing. If you're enjoying it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Until then, see you next time.